So again, one of the first articles of fact check. Vaccines are proven to reduce deaths. Let's look at the Journal of American Medical Association and look at infectious diseases across history. And the light, if you got the video on me, that light line right there, that's infectious disease deaths. That's all-cause infectious diseases, all right? So infectious diseases from 1900 up until around 1950 were declining fairly rapidly. And then something occurred around, and I know I have them on the screen, something occurred around 1948. Oh, it was the first childhood scheduled vaccine. The DTP vaccine started. So, and then we see 1955, the polio vaccine. We got 1963, the measles vaccine. You get around 1977 when like the pneumonia and flu vaccines were integrated in the elderly. And those are like four major ones most people have heard of and know about. What happened after vaccines were brought to market and put into childhood regimens? Did the infectious disease death rates, all infectious disease death rates decline, or did they stop declining? Folks, you cannot say that vaccines are saving lives when infectious disease death rates had already occurred before vaccines were being given. And then after the vaccine was, I thought measles, 1963, I thought measles was killing tens of thousands, and it basically stays level and doesn't reduce after the vaccine. It should have reduced pretty dramatically if the vaccine was doing this miraculous ability that they claim vaccines do, which is like lower infectious disease death rates. So they say it's saving lives. I say JAMA says it doesn't. Again, JAMA says it doesn't. I just put on JAMA's study. They're just talking about, we don't understand why infectious disease death rates aren't declining. We got all these vaccines. We got like 70 some, injections we give children nowadays and through, young adulthood, but infectious disease death rates just suddenly have plateaued and not declining anymore. That's all you can really do, just what I just did there. You just shake your head and you're like, vaccines are saving lives. Yeah, but infectious disease death rates haven't declined since vaccines were implemented. They had declined prior to. So how are vaccines saving lives? Please explain.